Try a different spot. Where'd you go? You know, one wicked storm coming at us right now too. That's why you always have a pitch bait handy. It's always nice when they won't commit to one lure, you throw another one at them, even though it hasn't quite worked yet. There's the bump. Oh, it's got a little more weight to it. Yeah, that's the one I was looking for. Now you're just being stubborn. The bait is out. He's just mad now. The bait is totally free. That's what they mean when they clamp on your hand. They won't let go sometimes. You don't want to be stuck in there. Nice solid fish.